You can live on top of the world in Midtown Atlanta. Welcome to 1080 Peachtree Street. I'm so excited to share with you our newest listing in downtown Atlanta. I'm Deborah Morton with Clario Real Estate, and I'm so excited to present to you our newest listing for Space in Town, our partner here in Midtown Atlanta. If you have a client looking to move to Atlanta, Georgia, this beautiful 33rd floor condo in Midtown is just right for them. Panoramic views of the city, close to Mercedes-Benz Stadium. This is the master suite. Take a look around.